Anxiety is an emotion associated with increased worry, fear, and tension of everyday situations in life. It becomes a disorder when this anxiety is excessive and persistent. It is characterized by symptoms like rapid heart rate, rapid breathing, sleeping difficulties, difficulties in concentrating. So let's look at some asanas that can help you calm your mind and can actually keep the anxiety in check. Adho Mukha Svanasana, or the downward facing dog. For this, start with the palms on the floor, the knees on the floor. Now gently lift your knees up in a mountain pose, pushing your heels to the floor, to the mat. The fingers are separate, elbows facing each other. The knees are straight, heels are pushed to the mat. Stay. 5 deep breaths. Then slowly come out of the pose. Child's pose or Balasana. Sit on your knees and on your heels. While inhaling, stretch your arms up, lengthen your spine. While exhaling, slowly place your torso on the thighs, your forehead on the mat. Try and push the hips to the heels if you can. Then inhale, slowly come up, exhaling down. Paschimottanasana, or the seated forward bend. Now sit with your legs stretched outwards, spine straight. While inhaling, raise your arms up, lengthen your spine. While exhaling, push yourself forward from the lower back, placing the belly to the thighs, your chest on the knees and the chin on the legs. Now inhale, slowly come up, exhaling down. Padangusthasana, or the standing forward bend. Keep your feet hip-width apart. While inhaling, raise your arms up, lengthen your spine. While exhaling from the lower back, hold the big toes of both the feet, elbows outwards, and push the crown to the floor. Now inhale, slowly come up, and exhaling, relax. Bhramari Pranayama. For this pranayama, sit in any comfortable position. Place the thumbs in your ears. Now inhale, while exhaling, make the humming sound that a bee makes. Do this for 10 rounds and then relax. Feel the vibrations of the humming sound in the body. The humming sound will relax your mind.